In this video, I'll detail how to remove or delete WhatsApp lock on iPhone. So if you're using WhatsApp and each time you want to open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone, so you'll be prompted to unlock with your Face ID or tap your WhatsApp pin to unlock it, then this video is going to walk you through. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to remove lock from WhatsApp chat, all you just need to do is open the WhatsApp application, then click on the settings at the bottom right, scroll down, then click on privacy. Once you selected privacy, you want to scroll down, locate chat lock and open that. Now locate app lock and click on that. Come here and then turn off require Face ID. That is going to disable your WhatsApp app lock, and you want to disable chat lock on WhatsApp. Locate chat lock and then unlock and clear locked chat. So just tap this, and this is going to unlock all the chats you locked on your iPhone and as well clear all the chat. Then go ahead and type in your WhatsApp passcode. Then once you type it, then you see all chat are now unlocked and clear. So that is how to remove lock on WhatsApp chat and WhatsApp apps on iPhone. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.